Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install the browser app on Android TV. So we're going to go to apps and Google. This is the browser of choice I'm going to be using to download the browser app. So just type in browser app. So this is right here, browser app suggestion. So you're looking for the one from play.google.com. Play.google.com. Click on browser for Android. That's the one. Actually, this is not the app, but it's the same keyword. So I want you to navigate to your right. You're going to find a list of apps. So scroll down. And you're going to identify the icon I'll show you. So just be patient and look for this particular icon. It will be beneficial to do this on the main page. So just type it in here. And hit on the search button. Now you're going to find this app right here. It's from browser-app.com. So this has about 4.6 stars. It has over 10 million downloads. It's about 17 megabytes. This is the exact one you're going to look for. Click on it and you find this install page. So if you click on this install button, it begins to download and installs automatically after the download is done straight into your app library. You could access it on Android TV with the app library, or just click on the open button. This open button will turn blue. It's gray now, but it will turn blue when the download is complete. Download and install is complete. So just be patient, wait for it to download, install, and then you could begin using the app. So if you found value in that tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.